Hey, what is up, folks, and welcome back to Halfsun, or I guess welcome to a new world. So these is our new group here. Say hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
Wow, that was
like
very,
pancakes.
that was very like, I was like when the teachers like tell everyone to speak up and nobody like actually does it. That's what that was. Anyway, so we're back with another new season or new chapter today. We have some new members with us. Who's that? You're a new member. What? How do I say your name? Plonker?
Oh, that's right, yes.
Okay. Halatio is another new one. Say hi. Hello. Broken Pixel.
Hello, how you doing?
Another new one. We have a couple other new ones, but they're not on right now, so we'll introduce them later. Oh, wait. I forgot you. I'm so sorry. I saw him, like, peek out from behind someone. I was like, oh, wait, there. There's... how do I say your name? How do I...
God damn it, I'm trying to get on the boat!
Oh, here. I do the thing.
Bad overboard. There's a ladder, Corbin.
There we go.
Okay.
Anyway. How do I say your name?
Oh, you could just call me Swako.
Swako. I don't know if it was Swako or Swako. I don't want to pronounce your name wrong. I'd feel bad. Anyway, welcome to a new chapter of Halfsun SMP. It's no longer Halfsun Reborn because we've already been reborn, so now it's just Halfsun Chapter 2. We are on a boat. We just came. I don't know where you guys came from, honestly, because you weren't on the previous world, but somehow you got on the boat. So a couple things that are different.
Along the way. We picked
there
them
were
up
some-
on a shipwreck on the way.
Some
I was a
stranded,
hostage.
some stranded members.
Me and Broken Pixel came from the famine scene from Scotland.
We'll go with that.
We needed supplies, and we just left with more members than we came with.
I was actually taken hostage. I actually came out of that restroom down there.
So anyway, we've made a couple changes. Oh my God.
This is not a good sign. Why is
Went through the sun dance quickly.
Way down.
Anyway.
Magical.
We've made a couple changes since last season. We have introduced quite a few new data packs to kind of spice up the gameplay a little bit. So, do you have DJ? Do you have the list? Do you want to read off the list?
Sure, why not? So obviously some of the things we have that were brought over for last one were things like AFK display, very minor. Multiplayer sleep, Enderman grief is now disabled. Gas griefing is disabled, so that people can enjoy the Nether without stuff getting absolutely mangled. Creeper griefing has also been disabled because of some mishaps.
People not filling in creeper holes.
Constructing the creeper holes. We have something called larger phantoms. So now you know how there were more phantoms per. Hey, oi! There were more phantoms if you didn't sleep. Now the phantoms just get bigger. So eventually, so some of the other things we have are portal cords, like quartz HUDs. Wandering traders will now trade mini blocks.
Oh, nice.
So now we're gonna actually get mini blocks.
What are mini blocks?
Their faces.
They're basically player heads. They're player heads. Yeah, they're basically just player heads. More mob heads is also enabled. And that's I think basically
Just a bunch of young children hitting each other over here.
we have
Hey.
graves and double shulker shells.
Oh, nice.
My bad.
Don't you dare! Don't you kill me!
Quite a few new additions from last season.
This is just a masquerade.
Hey, don't kill me! I don't want a single death on the death counter. Oh boy.
Oh, never mind.
Oh,
Okay,
first
we're gonna
Actually,
reset.
Halatio already has 4.
We don't talk about what happened.
I think that's all the data packs.
Yep.
DJ.
Is there, I guess, anything else? Anyone has questions or anything?
Right. I don't have my render distance turned up all the way, but do you see that island? Is that just an island, or is there actually like land back?
Oh, that is the map. That is where you're supposed to go.
Okay.
Yeah, you. All right, let's jump in. Let's start.
Yeet.
Have fun.
Discovery.
All right, guys. Another new season of Halfsun rolling out to you guys. We are very excited. Sorry for the loud intro. We have a lot more people this time around. Currently just doing a little bit fishing, getting myself the groundwork done. I don't think I've cooked anything yet. I need to cook some stuff. But yeah, I can see this being very fun. I'm expecting. I got a lot of cool ideas for us. Hopefully, I want to do I don't know if we'll do any building this time around, this episode, but next episode we're going to jump right into it. We're going to start doing some building. One thing I want to do for sure this season is I don't want to spend as much time at spawn. I actually want to get out. I want to kind of secure an area, make like a cool location, and pretty much just get to building out there. But we are still going to do some projects at spawn as well. So just be ready for that. We're also going to be doing, I want to do a little bit more redstone work. I want to work with the bees a little bit. I want to do, honestly, I want to use a lot more of the features in the game that I haven't really played with yet. Like concrete is one of them. Why did I get pufferfish? I need food. I don't need pufferfish. I need food. So yeah, that's going to be great. I will cut back in here in a little bit. I'm going to get a little bit more groundwork secured, and hopefully I'll find some resources off camera. So I will be back in a second. Alrighty, guys. So we are back yet again. I have done a little bit of work off camera. I'm pulling the old Minecraft YouTuber scheme where I leave for a quick minute and I come back and I've completed the game. I'm just kidding. No, I got a little bit of a setup here going. Got some furnaces going. I did get a couple resources. I did go on the big mining splurge. Didn't get too many diamonds, but while I was doing the mining, I decided I was going to do one thing this season, and I'm going to cut out a lot of the fluff. Hi! Hello, pupper! Come here, little guy. Let's get a doggo. Let's get a doggo. What are we going to name you? What are we going to name these? Oh, wait, where you at? Come here. Hi! Hello! You're outstanding. Look at you. What do I name you? Do I let the viewers decide what I name you? Do I pull one of those cards? I'm going to name you Loaf. Your name is now Loaf. Come here. Come here, Loaf. Yes, respond to your calling. Hello. Come here. Look how outstanding you are. You're perfect. Perfect doggo. Let me come follow me to my regime. Oh, hi. Hello. You have followed. Take a squat. Yes, watch the sunset. You're perfect. I appreciate you. Protect me from bad beings. We got a doggo now. That's great. I did already die once. I died to massive stingrays. Because if you didn't remember, I mentioned at the beginning of the season, or I guess the beginning of this episode, because this is the beginning of the season, we do have large stingrays as a data pack on the server, so that's great. But yeah, I did get a little bit of a start. I got a lot of resources there. Got a couple things going here. Furnaces going, farm going. I got some piggies, some chickens, some berries growing. It's all fine and dandy. I have a lot of plans this season, and oh hi, hello. As I said before, this season I think I want to cut out a lot of the fluff. I want to cut out a lot of the random grindy work. I think I just want to do builds. I just want to do builds this season. I want to do a lot of builds, and not just like aesthetic builds. I want to do some builds that involve some redstone. I think I want to get a little bit more technical this time around. I want to do a lot of stuff, but all of that will be saved for another episode. Next episode, we're going to do starter base here. I'm telling you that right now. I'm going to try to upload a lot of Halfsun this time around, too. I want to do multiple episodes a week. I want to do lots of stuff. I think it's going to be fun. I think I'm going to do like 2 episodes a week of this. And we'll see how that goes, because with school and holidays come around and everything, it's going to be a little busy, but I'm pumped. I'm excited this time. So that's about it. So anyway, if you guys did enjoy, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, do all of those wonderful things, and cheers to another season of Halfsun SMP. Bye-bye now.